So for the horizontal pull push legs workout this year, we're going to change it over from a lunge to a squat. Reason being, I'm going to couple it together with the front lever planche side split, and I find that they all work together quite well. So if you're limited on time, you wouldn't even do the gymnastic strength, you just go straight into the horizontal pull push squat workout, and that would make it a lot quicker. If you've got more time, you could even break it up into 3 kind of components. So you're doing your front lever planche. This for January focuses on an isometric hold. So for that, it would be the basic one, just getting that nice scalp retraction control. So you're in that horizontal position and just retracting the scalps. If you've got that down, legs straight, got that down, coming into the tuck, and then you want to work that towards open tuck and different variations. Really trying to get that nice control through there. Pull your shoulders back this way and develop that. It's really important with all of the works, isometrics, and just the loading in general, but isometrics especially, you want to hit, you know, that 10 to 15 second mark at least. If you're going too quick, it's probably not long enough to get a decent response. You don't need to go so long with it, but if you look at the accumulation of 4 sets, you know, 10 seconds getting 40 seconds time under tension in that position, you know, you want to get a decent amount of loading there to create some change in the tissues. So if you're going too short, you know, you can find that it's not going to develop. But you've got to find out, well, where is that point for you? So some people, it's going to, you know, they'll be able to hit heavier versions. They've got more fast twitch fibers, and their body will just kind of respond to that type of really heavy version much faster. Whereas other people, I find, would need, like myself, need more of the base stuff to build that foundation. I find that works for even the people that are fast twitch dominant because they get more control. So trying to hit at least 10 to 15 seconds, even up to 20 seconds is cool, out of a 30 second. Then going into the planche, this is the band one. So make sure the anchor point is high enough. You only got one set of rings, and you got them anchored on something high. It's just getting quick at making those changes. Going through, this might be a bit low, but you're just working with that position. So you want to make sure, again, that you're getting that nice stack. I try and get the anchor point above the balls of the hand, that point there, like just like the balls of the feet. You want to push through the palms and through there, get that nice grip, get that nice lockout. You might just even do planche leans without even taking the feet off. Coming over, but really trying to get that nice tuck position. You can even have the band there and not come off, but really trying to get high. And again, you want to hold for at least, you know, 10, 15 seconds. With that, if you find you're not getting long enough, just use more band help. Get it strong, make it strong, and work with it. Then we've got the isometric side split work. So lowering yourself down. You can even use the band you got set up, and then just holding there. Again, really trying to tuck that butt under and get a nice position and get strong there. Your body's only going to maintain that range of motion if you're strong there. If you're not strong there and you just force it in there and you don't have that strength there, your body will just tighten up again. So it's doing that, and then also getting the control in like compression work and the straddle presses and all of that, where you get motor control over those different positions. Then for the recovery, we just use the floor flow. I love the dynamic one, it's really nice, just releases everything, keeps people moving. You can do that lock off to make it a bit more a full release and get a bit more rotation through there. Now, if you're finding the 2-minute rounds a bit tight, I do personally, I like it to have a bit more rest, to push it a bit harder. So you might take it up to a 3-minute round, or even, you know, just not even do the side splits with it, just focus on the planche and the front lever. I just like, in terms of the week, it just makes it easier for me to get it done and to put that together. So but it's up to you. But yeah, a 3-minute round might work better for you, a bit more time. We just use the 2-minute rounds here because it's really effective for getting good use of the time in a class environment. But if you're training by yourself and you've got a bit more time, by all means, and even taking it up to 5 sets instead of just 3 or 4 will give you better results as well. But just listen to your body, and you want to make sure you get those nice warm-up sets with that.